All right, now that you have finished your intro response about what you know about antibiotics, I cannot wait to read what you guys wrote. We are going to transition into learning a little bit more about antibiotics and not just what information is out there about antibiotics as a whole, but focusing on what is this cause of antibiotic resistance. And if you break these terms down, okay, you can see that. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to find my pen here because this is a new thing for me. So if I break this term down, we've got the word antibiotic and the prefix anti or anti, okay, means against or not. So something that is anti, okay, it means it's against. Biotic is another term, and we know that any word that has bio in it, okay, any word that has bio in it means life. So antibiotic is something that is against life, okay? So causing something that is living to no longer be alive. Resistance, if you're resisting something, okay, it means you're unwilling to do it. For example, if you are resisting to do this entire Nearpod, it means that you're not going to make it to the end. You're going to stop wherever and you're going to move on to the activity. Okay, that is a breakdown of those terms. So hopefully going into this video, you have a little bit more of an understanding or at least a better idea of what this video might be talking about. Okay, so on the next slide, you're going to see a video. It's a TED Ed video. And the video itself is called "What Causes Antibiotic Resistance?" And in this video, you're going to see what is happening. Why are bacteria becoming resistant to antibiotics? After viewing the video, you will need to respond to the following prompt. So think about this prompt as you're watching the video. If you need to make notes while you're watching the video, if you need to pause the video when you're watching it so you have an idea, but you are going to be having to write down your response to this prompt. And the prompt is explain how bacteria can become resistant to antibiotics. Be sure to include how natural selection plays a role in this process. So in the video, they're going to talk about bacteria. They're going to talk about antibiotics. They're going to talk about how bacteria become resistant, and they're going to connect what natural selection has to do with any of this. Okay, so go ahead and click to the next slide to view the video. Once you have finished that video, go to the next slide to respond to this prompt.